Yes guys, welcome back to another video, and it is your boy Chef André Davy. And guess what guys, I'm here to share with you a new recipe. It is the breadfruit punch ice cream. Guys, I've worked tirelessly to perfect this recipe, and guys, I'm here to share it with you today. So guess what, just stick around. Yes guys, welcome back. So guys, what you want to do guys, you want to make sure that you have some cooked breadfruit, yeah, that is already chilled. So what I'm going to do now guys, I'm just going to go ahead and mash my breadfruit, okay guys. Yes guys, you want to make sure that your breadfruit is properly mashed, okay guys. Okay guys, and to this mashed breadfruit, I'll be adding in some vanilla, some salt, some nutmeg, some cinnamon, some almond extract. Okay guys, and I'm just gonna continue with the mashing process, okay guys. Okay guys, alright guys, so this, guess what I'm gonna have guys, I'm gonna go ahead and add some condensed milk, okay guys. And I'm just gonna mix this, okay guys. Okay guys, and then to this I'm gonna go ahead and add some guineas right here guys, some guineas, yes, some white overproof rum, and I'm gonna mix again, okay guys. Wow guys, this is smelling so good. Wow. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put this aside, okay guys. So yes guys, in a separate bowl, we wanna go ahead and whisk some heavy cream, okay guys. Nice. And I'll be using a mixer, okay guys, and I'll be taking it slow first, okay. So yes guys, I want to make sure that your every cream has come to a stiff peak, okay guys? So what I'm gonna do guys, I'm gonna go ahead and add my breadfruit mixture to it, okay guys? Okay guys, and I'm just gonna go ahead and use my spatula to fold in these ingredients, okay? Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and pour my ice cream in this small plate, okay guys? And yes guys, and to this ice cream, I'm gonna go ahead and add some caramel, okay guys? And if you want to learn how to make this caramel, so yes guys, if you want to learn how to make this caramel, I will leave a link to the video in the description, okay guys? So yes guys, what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go ahead and cover and place this in the freezer for 4 hours or more, okay guys? So I will catch you back when it's finished making, okay guys? So yes guys, it has been 4 hours since our ice cream has been in the freezer. So let's go ahead and check it guys. Okay. Looking good guys, looking good. Wow, looking good. Wow. Look at it guys. Wow, this is beautiful guys. So what I'm gonna do guys, I'm gonna go ahead and taste this one, okay guys? But look how I'm gonna deal with this, okay guys? Okay guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put some more caramel sauce on top. And guys, if you want to know how to make this beautiful caramel, please check the description. The link will be inside there. So some more caramel. Wow. Amazing. Then to that guys, I'll be adding in some whipped cream. Yes. Some roasted pistachio nuts. Just like that guys. Wow. And guys, look on our breadfruit punch ice cream. How are you guys loving it? Wow, let me go ahead and taste. Guys, you want to taste this. This is beautiful. Trust me guys. Breadfruit punch ice cream with the caramel. Oh my goodness. Guys, I'm loving this. Guys, I'm proud to say this is another successful recipe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you in another video pretty soon. Goodbye.